Hey guys, and thank you for joining me. So in today's video I'm going to talk about Nykaa Pink Friday sale. So Nykaa Pink Friday sale is one of the biggest sale of the year, and in this sale you can take the advantage of the different products which are available on the discounted price on Nykaa. So I'm going to start with first with the Huda Beauty. I think Huda Beauty is giving the most discounted products. Their bigger palette, which is like a rose gold remastered palette, and also the desert dusk palette are in discount, and they are giving 50% discount. And their mini or obsession palette, the mini 9 pan palettes, have 30% off. Their lipstick, the bullet lipstick, which is like a power bullet lipstick, are 10% off. And also their foundation, I do have their foundation, and which is like a 5% off. So I think it's a good time to grab their eyeshadow. Now coming to the next brand, which is a Flower Beauty. Flower Beauty is offering 30% off on the entire range, so it's best time to pick up their product as well. I think whenever the Nykaa sale goes on the Flower Beauty, most of the time they do have like 20 or 30% off. So from Flower Beauty, I recommend you to choose their Illusion Powder. Illusion Powder is considered to be a very close dupe of Charlotte Tilbury powder, the setting powder. So if you can get your hands on that, so it's better to choose to select now. From the same brand, I would suggest you to pick up the concealer. If you are looking for a good concealer, you can go for a concealer as well. And their liquid lipstick, the matte liquid lipstick, they are very comfortable formula, and I love them too. The Milani is not have a huge sale, but they are only offering 10%. But if you are willing to grab one or two products, I would highly suggest you to grab their foundation if you're looking for a good foundation. And I would also recommend you to buy the Milani eyeshadow palettes. Milani eyeshadow palettes is not less than any high-end eyeshadow palettes. So they are giving 10% off. And their blushes, the big blushes also, and also the rose blushes are really good, and Flower Beauty rose blushes are also good, so you can try either of them. Now coming to the Maybellines are giving different discount on the different products. So if you look on the blushes, they're giving 50% discount on the blushes. Their Maybelline Fit Me foundation, they're giving 25% off, but I suggest you to pick up the Stay Matte, or wait, this one the 24 hours full coverage foundation. I would suggest you to pick up this foundation. It gives you a full coverage. Again, I always suggest a full coverage foundation. You can always share down the coverage according to your wish. And I also want to recommend the Maybelline Superstay Matte Ink Liquid Lipstick. They are quite good. I love them. Pioneer, the red color is my favorite shade. Now I'm wearing a Wet n Wild lipstick. The lipstick I'm wearing is called Missy and Fierce. This one, I love the shade. You can try the Maybelline liquid lipstick. You can also grab the Maybelline loose powder. They are equally good as any high-end loose powder. So it's best time to grab these Maybelline products, because Maybelline base products are really good. I can't say same with the eyeshadow, because I think Maybelline makes crappy eyeshadow, I can say that. L'Oreal is have again different percentage on the different products. For example, they are giving the L'Oreal Infallible Matte Foundation, they are giving the 50% off, whereas if you go to the Fresh Wear Foundation, they are only giving 20% off. So they have a different discount on the different products. This product is new, they have a lesser discount on that. And from L'Oreal, I would also suggest you to pick up their clay mask. They have a lot of variant in the mask, so choose what according to your skin type. If you have oily skin, you can go towards the charcoal mask, and there are a lot of hydrating, and according to your skin type you can choose their mask. Now coming to the skincare, I think sale is the best time to stock up on your skincare, because skincare can be very expensive. So next I'm going to talk about Body Shop. Body Shop is one of my favorite skincare brands, and they do not use any chemical in their skincare, and that is the best part of it. So for body care, you can splurge on their mask. They have a lot of variety of mask. According to your skincare, you can choose, according to your skin, you can choose, and you can decide what mask to choose. For oily skin, I would recommend their tea tree range, because their tea tree range is meant for the acne and oily prone skin. And they do have, for sensitive skin, they have the aloe range for the sensitive skin, and for the dull looking skin, they have a vitamin C range and vitamin E range. So you can check out that. I personally love the vitamin C and vitamin E range, and I always buy, I always stock up a lot of Body Shop things, because they are my holy grail. I completely trust their ingredient list. The next brand I want to talk about is the Face Shop. Face Shops offer you the massive variety of skincare. They have the chia seed one, they have the mango one, then the list goes on and on. So I personally like the chia seed one a lot. So they are offering 25% off. I think last time it was a 30% off. This time they have the 25% off. I don't know, but this is the time, good time to stock up on their serums or their essence or creams or moisturizer. This is a good time to stock up on them. Now coming to the very affordable brand like Neutrogena. Neutrogena is offering 20% off. So my recommendation is picking up their sunblock. Their sunblock is good. Their Hydro Boost moisturizer, the water gel is good. They are offering 10% because hydrogel is a very new product which is newly launched in India. So they are giving 10% off on that. And then I would suggest you their face washes. They are giving 20% on off. And also their emulsion, they're giving 10% off. So these things you can look on the Neutrogena. Coming to the Biotique. Now Biotique is offering 40% off on all the range, so you can choose. I love their toners. Cucumber Pore Tightening Toner, that is the 35% off. Also the tan removal, the papaya face mask, and also I would recommend you to pick up the sunscreen from the Biotique, which I love. Biotique product in general because they are very inexpensive. If you don't buy and sell, most of the times they are like 20 or 30, 25% off generally. So if not, then next time. But I think this is a good time to splurge on because they're giving 40 to 35% off. So I think it's a good time to splurge on the Biotique. Now from the hairstyling range, you can try or you can look into the Babyliss products. Their Babyliss products are having a huge discount. They're giving 55% off on the tongs or the flat irons. Also they have the dryers. They have a lot of variety, you can see, because they have different prices, and then they have given the discount like 45%, 40 or 45% off according to them. So you have to choose what suits for your hair. Now coming to the bigger brands like MAC, Estee Lauder, Bobbi Brown, they do not give you like 20% or 25% off. What they do, they give you a minimum amount to shop, and when you shop to that amount, they give you a free mini lipstick or a pouch or something else. So here the MAC is offering, if you buy anything above 2,500, they are going to give you a full size lipstick, or the lipstick can be a bullet one or a liquid lipstick. So this is what the MAC is offering. Now coming to the Bobbi Brown. Now Bobbi Brown is offering that if you buy anything above 3,000, it's going to give you a mini liquid lipstick. It's going to give you a mini mascara, mini vitamin enriched face base, which is one of my favorite, and also a pouch. So they are giving you 4 mini size products to try, and you just have to pay, like your product price should be more than 3,000 from the Bobbi Brown. Now Clinique is offering, if you buy anything which is 2,500 above from the Clinique range, you'll be getting a mini moisture surge and a mini lipstick. And from Estee Lauder, they're offering you, if you buy anything of rupees 1,800 and above, they're giving you a primer, a beauty blender, and a pouch. Like if you buy anything like more than 1,800, if you're buying more than 3,000 rupees, they're offering you a mini lipstick, which the shade is Rebellious Rose, a foundation brush, and also a pouch. And from Estee Lauder, I would suggest you to buy their Advanced Repair Recovery Complex, that Estee Lauder Advanced Night Repair Complex. So that serum is quite good. So I have a mini size of that and really like it. Or you can also try their Estee Lauder Double Wear Foundation, which is a full coverage foundation, again because I think I have talked about too much of foundation in this video. So yeah, from Clinique, I would suggest you to pick up the Moisture Surge, and also I like the Clinique Take Off the Balm, the makeup removal. Now coming to the Nykaa Cosmetics, Nykaa is offering different percentage on different products, but I always feel with Nykaa, like if they have written like 30% off on the lipstick, but when you click on the lipstick, there 1 or 2 lipstick will be on sale, and most of the lipstick will be like they're the usual price. But this time they have reduced the price of each lipstick, but it's not like 30. It's maybe some are like 20% off, some are 10% off. The best sellers are like 10% off at the and the shades which are not sold that much, they are like 20 or 30% off. So that Nykaa always do. So they have a different discount on the different products. I would suggest you to pick up the Nykaa Matte to Last liquid lipstick. I really like the formula, it's very comfortable. I also like the Nykaa nail polishes, not their matte one but the regular shine one, and the gel polishes are really good. You can try that one. Now the next brand I would recommend you is Pack Cosmetics. Pack rarely have any kind of sale on them. Like I experienced at one time only the Pack have sale, like that to 5% I think, and this time they have 10% sale on the Pack Cosmetics. So I would, from Pack Cosmetics, I would recommend you their concealer. The Spotlight concealers are quite good, and their micro fixer setting spray is quite good, and also their lashes are quite good, so you can see, check out on that. Now the Faces Canada is offering a different amount of percentage on a different products, and like they have a lot of bundles available on their website. You can check out the bundles if you like their products. And one of my favorite products from the Faces Canada is their Ultime Pro matte liquid, not liquid lipstick, Ultime Pro lip crayon. Like they have formulated a different one that time. I can see the different version of this, the fat chubby one. Those used to be one of my favorite liquid, not liquid lipstick, the lip crayon. So this one is offering 30% off on the Ultime Pro matte lip crayon. They also give you a free sharpener with that one. So I think this is all what I would recommend you on the Nykaa Pink Friday sale. Go and take the advantage of the sale. Especially I would recommend you to stock up on your skincare, because skincare can be very costly, as I said. So most of the time what I do, I just stock up all my skincare, because you may not be wearing makeup every day, but skincare is something that you have to wear every day. So I think this is a good time to stock up on your skincare, your face washes, your creams, your sunscreen, your night cream, your serums, your essence. All those products are actually really, not actually, but those products are actually very essential and for our skin, and we have to wear it every day, and it also like goes out within 2 or 3 months. So stocking up on your skincare is important. So yeah, I think with that we come to the end of this video. Make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and let me know your recommendation, what you think is like worth spending on. So let me know in the comments section, and I would see you guys in my next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.